Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you all how to do beachy waves with a curling iron. This actually is just my hair air dried overnight, but I want it a little bit more beachy wave instead of just kind of blah. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way on how to achieve the beachy wave look. So I'm just going to take my hair and section it off. You definitely want to section it off so then that way you achieve the best look. So I'm just going to take a section that's about 1 inch, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap my curling iron, wrap it around my curling iron 1 time, or like 1.5 times I guess, and then that way, oh yeah, it's hot. You can get just a little bit of curl, or wave I should say, but not a full-blown curl. And then I'm just gonna continue around my And now what I kind of like to do is just shake the curls out just a little bit. And then I use my air control light hairspray. Can you see that? From Aveda. I love this because it gives a little bit of hold, but not a crazy amount to where your hair, like, you can't even run your fingers through it. So, and that's kind of my take on the beachy wave. I know most of the waves are like down here, which is kind of what I wanted to do, just to give it, and you can flip it a little bit so you get some stuff up here. There you go. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I always have new content coming out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.